Ever wondered what happens to a massive star when it dies? Let me tell you about neutron stars. These cosmic wonders are born from the explosive death of a star, a supernova. When a star that's much bigger than our sun runs out of fuel, its core collapses. The outer layers explode outward, but the core? It gets squeezed into an incredibly dense object, a neutron star. Imagine packing a mountain into a sugar cube. That's how dense a neutron star is. Just 1 teaspoon of its material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. But wait, there's more. These stars are tiny, only about 20 kilometers in diameter. Yet they can spin incredibly fast, some even hundreds of times per second. These spinning neutron stars are called pulsars, and they emit beams of radiation, like cosmic lighthouses. Neutron stars also have insanely strong magnetic fields, billions of times stronger than Earth's. This magnetic force can accelerate particles to near the speed of light, creating intense radiation bursts. So, why should you care? Neutron stars help scientists understand the laws of physics under extreme conditions. They offer clues about the universe's most fundamental forces. In the end, neutron stars are not just remnants of dead stars. They are cosmic laboratories, teaching us about the universe one spin at a time. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, there might be a neutron star out there, spinning silently in the dark. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed learning about neutron stars, hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic wonders.